All right. Now we have the longest section in human history. The constructibles slash material. Let's get started, bro. Let's get started. We got the plank. Guys, I'm gonna plank on the plank. I'm planking on the plank, guys. Get out. But I guess you could use this. I swear there's someone in my server right now. There has to be someone in my server. I guess you could use it if you don't want. If you don't want this thing. This one, it has a lot of uses. It has a lot of use, like a bed, or like if you want to build walls. So this one has its uses. This would be A tier. How? Oh. I don't have a script. Ooh. Well, it has its uses if you don't want to use that, which is way too big. So that one would be A tier. This one, it's also A tier. You could use it to build walls, and you can use that one to build smaller walls. Like if you want like 3 of them, like 3. This is 3. You want 3 per wall, and you want to be like together, set together. I don't know if you want these 3 to be stuck together, like that. Then it would not be that hard, right? Because then you would just put these 3 together, and then it'll be GG's. And then you don't have to use the other 3. I literally don't have a script. I'm just taking all of this from my bum. This thing, same thing, just reskin. A tier. Bunny eggs. All the bunny eggs. I'll share that, please. I'll share that, please, and thank you. All the bunny eggs. They have 0 use. Why would you ever use that? Ever. Why would you use these? I never seen anyone do it in a goop build, or they used it to make inappropriate things. But that's just the point. It's still bad. It's still bad. They use it to make inappropriate things. So I'd say they have 0 use unless they want to make an inappropriate thing. D tier. I don't care for all of them. A googly eye. If you want to make something like this that I made. Let's see, right here, Fred. This dude right here. This involves the googly eyes. I like the googly eyes. See, look, and make it look it's actually alive. But I'm sorry, Fred. You're gonna have to go. Ow! You can't trade Goop Vengeance while he's out in the wild now. Okay. What am I genuinely gonna do with the ones that I don't have unlocked? I guess. I said I would base them off what they look like and their description, because I can unlock them. All right, the whole mannequin. I'm gonna count the whole mannequin. Arms, legs, torso, head. Just to make a whole mannequin, instead of the head, you could put this guy to make it look cuter. But, or you could use it to make other inappropriate things, like some guy doing this. I don't know why. What would you gain from that? And would it make you feel better? Genuinely asking. Would it make you feel better, or just would it make you I don't know. So I'd say the whole mannequin body, it's needed. I'd say all of them are an A, because you can use it to make actually cool stuff. And you can, oh my gosh, no, bro, no. Or you can use the leg. You can use the legs to make it look like you have. Oh, bro, you actually got a community, bro. It's stuck like the. You can make it look like you have actual legs. Cause look, I have legs. Your legs are gone, buddy. Your legs are gone, buddy. So yeah, they're good. They're all in A tier. What the frick is this? Steampunk clip. Well, I need a description, sir. Hold things together, mostly. Like this thing? I don't get it. This thing right here. I actually don't get it though. I don't know what to do with this thing. It said they can use it to make monsters. So it can make it look like it's holding something together as such thing. B tier. Nah. C tier. What is this thing? Testla coil? Large. Buddy, what the heck, buddy? Testla coil large? Oh, it can make it look like something's connecting to it. Like wires. It would make it look like wires are connected to make your build possible. Okay. Well, I think these will make it look cooler. So, I'd say these are A tier in terms of coolness. But in general, I don't know how you could use this. You need like, it can make it seem like, you need electricity to make it work. So, in general, D tier. But to make it look cool, I guess you can make it, and in terms of coolness, A tier. That's the coil, small. I guess like if it's a smaller build, yeah, you can use it. If it's a smaller build, so I give it D tier in general, B tier for in terms of coolness. This thing, cog, large. I genuinely don't know what we could use this for. Well, I guess you can make it like turn. Like they make it like a cog wheel. You have to turn it to make it like work. But it doesn't have it. So I genuinely don't know if you could use it for wheels instead of shield. C tier. Open cog, large. A bigger tire. B tier. I mean B tier. Open cog small. If you need smaller wheels, same tiers. Cog small. I don't have the I was like, I don't have this unlocked yet, but I do. I guess again for wheels instead of shields. Same tier, not gonna ask any questions. They're kind of just the same stuff, just bigger, smaller stuff. Cogs, oh, and then this spiked cog. What? Oh no. Turn slowly, hurts quickly. I guess if you're gonna like do a skill where you hurt a kid or something, or you run over a kid and you're like, oh no, I hit him, and I hit him with my spiked cog. I definitely killed him. Terms of coolness, A tier. Genuinely, when would you use that? Generally. C, A tier in terms of coolness, C tier in terms of generally. Geared wheels. Geared wheels? What are geared wheels? So it says goes round and round and round and round. So I thought this was like an actual wheel. But no. Can't do nothing to make it work. It just like that. I guess another alternative of wheels to make a cool A tier cool, C tier general. Bye bye. Brass lamp, no genie included. I haven't seen it, but what is this, dude? It's like a blue tube with a black top, huh? Brass lamp. What? No use? Guys, no use. Alright, I'd say it's no use, so D tier. Who would use this in their goop builds? Really, genuinely. This thing, I bought it for nothing. Edison will be power, Testla, Lasso. This does absolutely nothing. I guess to make it look like I guess all of these things are to make your builds look like they're old. Green, red, green hand. I'm gonna do something really quick. I'm gonna just point. We gotta unlock something, right? Alright, these remind me of the hands of red light, green light. Oh my gosh, bro. You can make. Oh, that's why I said you can make monsters, because you can make your own red light, green light. Yeah, you can make your own red light, green light with this thing, so. Red light, green light is a loved monster. Red light, green light is a loved monster, so I would think this is a very good tier. Very good. Was I turning the wrong way? Wah wah. So it has it uses. I'd say A tier. Iron scaffolding. Hold on tight. Alright, it's good for like climbing videos where you're like it's climbing and you're about to fall and you're like, oh man, I'm about to fall. But then you can just put like, I don't think it actually holds you. You could just put saddles on there to make it actually work. You like saddles. Oh my gosh, bro, it's gonna fall. It's gonna fall. Oh, it's gonna fall. I'm gonna fall. So I mean, you could use it for that, or other stuff like actually climbing a building with no recording. So, good boy. I mean, good iron scaffolding. A tier again. Smokestacks. Mission in this economy. Alright. Oh, like a steamboat. Like, if you've ever seen Steamboat Willie, which most of you probably haven't, they have this like a smokestack. So if you're building like a car or a ship, back in the old days, you used to have smokestacks to power the ships or the cars, or they had the smokestack in the back, right? I think so. But yeah, if you want to build a ship, use a smokestack. So it has its uses. If we build a ship. So I'd say, B tier. I see how this is, buddy. Brass wings. Heavy decorate, not for flying. Decorative. It's all for decoration. Even it says it even in the thing. So C tier. Not really used for anything. That's it. With the mannequin head and torso. Ball. Metal ball. I mean, you can make inappropriate things out of this, but they also put like grenades on it to make it look like one big bomb. And you could just throw it and like, oh yeah, that's ultimate. It's ultimate thing, whatever. It's a big cool, and then you could use just a clogged sewers somehow. And it goes in bags. And it shreds. So I'd say B tier. Sorry. Peppermint ball, you're also B tier. Rainbow ball, you're also B tier. Or you could use it to make Fred. Curved metal rod. Looks like a giant smile to me. Guys, look, I'm super happy today, guys. I'm super happy today. If you could tell, I'm super happy. Or oh no. Oh no. You could also use it to make inappropriate things, and it looks like I was doing something. Oh, wait, I'm gonna make something out of this small metal rod really quick. Alright guys, look at that, my beautiful invention. I made a chair. I made a chair right here, guys, for you to stand on. The chair's flying away. Bye bye, chair. Oh shit, I kinda don't want to see that. Oh, it's satisfying, dude. That's actually so satisfying though. Red car. A round plate. You could use this for like. I made this skit, but it was never canon. I made this skit called Noah's Dinner, and Noah's Dinner. You know what? I officially right here. I'll say it in another video. But I said this thing, Noah's Dinner. And I use this thing as a bowl or something. Or you could use it as like an actual hat or something. Or you can make it look like a mushroom. There's many uses to it. A tier. B tier. B tier. Actually, C tier. Metal rod. We can actually make it look like a lollipop. You can make it look like a lollipop though. Genuinely. Lollipop. I know how to make a lollipop. Like my new lollipop gang. Get out, gang. B tier for the metal rod. Rainbow rod, B tier. Candy cane rod, B tier. Cube frame. Cube frame. How could you use this? I mean, you could do this with it. Get like a ball, and then you could just trap it inside there. And it kind of just drives itself. Look at that, guys. You could like, you can make an item look like it's on display. Like, let's say I want to make a hook shot on display. I'm gonna use the Galaxy one, for example. How would I do that? How would I do that to make it look like it's on sale or like on display? It's on display. Let me see if it's on display. Or this trick that I found out that makes it look a little better. You get a nut shredder. You put goop right there. Then looks like the goop is supposed to shred. Then this is glass, right? Which is used for display. So then you could just put the hook shot like this. And then I'll make it look like it's on display. I have a skip plan for this, but look at that, guys. Make it look like it's display. If you just... Oh, if you accidentally drop it, yeah, you got it. So it's like making it look on display a little better. But Can you copy me? Can you copy me? Ooh, ah, bro. Nothing. So it has its uses. Not much. I've seen no one use it, but I'd say C tier. Goop S tier. This is why building was made. If there was no goop, where would we get all of this from? Where would we get all of that from? So it's the main part of the whole building update. A small metal plate. I guess you could also use it like as a mini wall. Like a mini wall. Or you can make it look like a mini box. A small box. You can also flip it like this and make it look like a research point. A giant research point. Like that. Oh yeah, you could also make it, you could also bro. You could also do it like that and then make it can make it like seem like a glitch. Oh yeah, it has its uses. This definitely a triangle. It's actually a right triangle for those who don't know. craft. That build is especially used in there, but if I can get out of here. Oh, buddy. Fly up into the sunset! Wow! It's doing actual spins. Yeah, that's actually funny. That's actually funny. So I'd say this is useful for some builds, not all. B tier. There you go. Owie. No one uses this, buddy. To color and whimsy your build. No one is using this. Unless it's like for a birthday celebration, you can use this. Because it's in the birthday celebrations. Where they put these up and then it's like, oh yeah, happy birthday, and then HAPPYBIRTHDAY. Happy birthday. To make it say happy birthday. Oh. Yeah, they have zero use. E tier. I'm sorry. A small truss before the big one. A truss to make like a tower. You can make it look like a tower. Like the structure of a tower. The four corners of a tower. So, I mean, it has its uses again. It does. Six, 7. It has uses. Use them right. Use it right, I guess. I don't know. Okay. Well, it has uses. Don't use it like this. Like this. Also, give me that. Nothing's getting added to my shredder, though. And I feel like nothing's getting added to my shredder. Yeah. Literally almost done with this whole thing. We have a steel beam. Excuse me. But this is just like the truss. Well, what is the description say? Then we can get a bit. Pure industrial intelligence. Buddy, this does nothing, guys. It's just like the exact same thing as the truss, just bigger and thicker and bigger. Yo. Do not clip that. But what other uses does it have? Literally. Then the chocolate one? Oh, gingerbread. What uses? I don't have. There's no uses for anything. All my builds, all my goop builds over there don't have that on it. I don't think anything will require that, so C tier. Actually, D tier. Steel beam, D tier. Gingerbread beam, D tier. I'm sorry, gang. Gang. Oh my gosh. Wait, you could use this as scaffolding, right? Scaffolding? I'll put up a picture of scaffolding on screen, but I hope it looks like this. I don't know what this is right now. I said scaffolding. You can make it look like it already looks like scaffolding, right? So, or you could use it as a blanket. You could use it right here. Let me just try and just lay down. And then look, it looks like a blanket. A very uncomfortable one, at least, but oh my gosh, the camera angle is horrible. I'm gonna be sleeping good tonight. Where did it go? Uh-oh! I tried to do it on accident. And then the same thing. Oh yeah, I haven't rated it yet. A tier. Scaffolding. Festive scaffolding. Truss. The same thing. It's the same thing, just bigger than the small truss. What was the other one that I did? I don't know which one was it. I should know though. Small truss. So it's like the corners of a building. This one's for a small building. This one's for a bigger building. A tier, B tier. I changed my mind. A tier, A tier, A tier. So I guess if you want to use the polka dot one or the candy cane one, you can make it look festive. And now, construction and gadgets. The joystick. What? I mean, again, it has its uses. It has a lot of uses, actually. If you want to move a head or something, like from the mannequin build, if you want to move the head or the arms or something, or the legs to make it move, you could use this. It is useful in many ways. It is useful in many ways. No questions asked. I mean, come on, if you didn't have this, how many goop builds could you not build? There are only so many goop builds you could build without this thing. And what I mean is, there's not that many things that you could build without this. So that's an obvious A or S. High A. What am I doing, bro? Okay. A tier. Not S tier. I meant S tier. This one is just a lot more confusing. Inverted Y. Inversed. So I don't know why. I actually don't know why you would use that. Genuinely, why would you use that at all? Bad. Robot arms. Actually, take out the mannequin arms. They're useless. Use these instead. They are so much better. They move when your hands move. But it does have its downs also. If you put it down and you drop your item near that thing and you try to pick it up, but then your robot hand picks it up, you take the robot hand, hold down the drop button, and then you'll get it. That isn't annoying enough. So please don't use this. Yeah, actually these are bad. These are bad. B tier. C tier, actually. C tier. That means the left robot arm, D tier. Galaxy left robot arm, C tier. Right robot arm, C tier. Galaxy right robot arm, C tier. Robot head. Yo guys, what's up, gang? This just makes it more annoying. And if you yell, the eyes will pop out. This thing is just annoying. Why would you ever use this if you do this as a little Timmy? If you do this. Until you hit the max limit. You are the worst person in human history. Why would you do this? Unless you want to troll kids. Unless you like use the bad mic thing. Yo. You could do that. Yo! Gang! 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 GNG! Gang! Yeah. Give me that. The remote control S tier. Come on, bro. You have to use this on the remote. You have to use it on the joystick to make it work. You have to use it on the joystick to make it work. Have to. Wow, 40 minutes, bro. Nah, bro. Bye bye for now.